Trees provide us with many benefits, but in order for them to grow into a healthy and mature tree, it all starts at the beginning when we first plant a tree.
Hi, I'm Siwan. Hi, I'm Beverly.
And I'm Gervais.
And together with our friends, we are going to show you how to
Plant a tree!
So let's get started. You will first need a pair of gloves to protect your hands, a chanko, a watering can, a hat, a pair of covered shoes, and some sunblock to protect yourself from the sun.
Once you know where to plant the tree, start digging your tree hole with your charcoal. Use your charcoal's handle to measure the root ball. The tree hole should be 2 to 3 times wider than the root ball, but only just as deep as the root ball is. If the hole is too big, backfill the hole with soil. Once done, place the charcoal on the ground with the blade facing down.
It's now time to put your tree into the ground. Carry the tree by grabbing the poly bag with both hands. If the tree is too heavy, get some help. Place the tree in the center of the hole and remove the poly bag from the root ball. Make sure that the tree is standing upright and not leaning at an angle. We want our tree to grow up straight and tall. Next, check that the top of the root ball is at the same level as the ground. Then push the surrounding soil back into the tree hole all around the tree. Make sure you do not cover the root collar of your tree, or the roots of your tree will suffocate. Using your hands, pat the soil around the tree with moderate force. The soil should be slightly firm so that the tree doesn't topple. But do not compact the soil too much by stomping on it with your body weight, as this will prevent air and water from reaching the roots, which will suffocate your tree.
It's now time to put some mulch. Spread a layer of coarse compost around the tree in a ring. This should be around 5 to 10 centimeters deep and at least 15 centimeters away from the tree base. Next, water all around the tree. Make sure you use up all the water in the watering can. This ensures deep watering, which encourages its roots to grow deep into the soil.
And we are done! That is how you plant a tree.
You can put your knowledge to use by joining one of our tree planting events as part of the 1 Million Trees movement, where we will be planting over 1 million trees in Singapore over the next 10 years. All of us can play our part in transforming our home into a city and nature.
You can also support this movement by making a donation through our registered charity, the Garden City Fund.
We hope that you have found this video helpful for you. Now,
It's your turn!